CVMC, ECE, Unit 2, Complex Integration, Lesson 8, Problem 31. Verify Cauchy's theorem for the integral of z cube taken over the boundary of the rectangle with vertices -1, 1, 1 plus I, -1 plus I. Solution: given rectangle vertices -1, 1, 1 plus I, -1 plus I, write in the form of points. -1 real part, imaginary part 0, 1, 0. Here real part 1, imaginary part means I coefficient 1, -1, 1. Now we have to prove integral ABCDA z cube dz value is equal to 0. Along AB, x is equal to 1. Here x coordinate 1, here x coordinate 1. So x is equal to fixed. Y varies from 0 to 1. Along AB, x is equal to 1, dx is equal to 0, derivative of x 0, y varies from 0 to 1. Your z cube is equal to, z means x plus iy, whole cube is equal to x1. So 1 plus iy whole cube, 1 plus iy whole cube. Your z is equal to x plus iy. So what is your dz? Dx plus I dy. Dx is 0, so we get I dy. I1 is equal to integral over AB z cube dz is equal to integral 0 to 1 z is cube is 1 plus iy whole cube, dz is I dy. So I constant, integration, integral x cube model, x power of 4 by 4, x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, 1 plus iy whole power 4 by 4 into iy derivative, you write iy derivative, 0 to 1. Substituting I cancel. Substituting upper limit instead of y, you write 1 plus I whole power 4 by 4 minus instead of y, you write 0, we get 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Along BC, here y is equal to 1 fixed, y is equal to 1 fixed here. X varies 1 to minus 1. X varies from -1 to 1 to minus 1. So z cube value x plus iy whole cube, your y is 1, so x plus I whole cube dz is dx plus I dy. dy 0, we get dx. So I2 is equal to integral over bc z cube dz is equal to integral 1 to minus 1 z cube x plus I whole cube dz is dx is equal to x cube model integration. So x plus I whole power 4 by 4 x derivative into 1. You need not write 1 to minus 1. Substituting upper limit instead of x rate minus 1 plus I whole power 4 by 4 minus instead of x rate 1 plus I whole power 4 by 4. Along CD here x coordinate is fixed minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 to dx 0, y varies from 1 to 0. Along CD x is equal to minus 1, dx is equal to 0, y varies from 1 to 0, z cube x plus iy whole cube minus 1 plus iy whole cube dz is equal to dx plus I dy, dx 0, so I dy. Therefore I3 is equal to integral over CD z cube dz is equal to integral 1 to 0 minus 1 plus iy whole cube I dy. So I constant integration minus 1 plus iy whole power 4 by 4 into iy derivative I 1 to 0. I cancel. Substituting 0 minus 1 whole power 4 1 by 4. My substituting 1 minus 1 plus I whole power 4 by 4. Line integral along dA. Along dA, y is equal to 0. X varies minus 1 to 1. Along dA, y is equal to 0. dy is equal to 0. X varies from minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Z cube is equal to x plus iy whole cube. Y 0, we get x cube. dz is equal to dx plus I dy. dy 0, so dx. I4 is equal to integral over dA z cube dz is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube dx x power of 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 0 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 0. Integral over a b c d a z cube dz is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 is equal to, so integral over a b c d e z cube dz is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. I1 value, I2 value, I3 value, I4 0. So all are cancelled, we get 0. So Cauchy's theorem is verified. Cauchy's theorem is verified. Cauchy's theorem is verified. Series of complex terms. First one is Taylor series. If f of z is analytic inside a circle C with center at A, then for all z inside C, f of z is equal to f of a plus z minus a by 1 factorial f dash a plus z minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash a plus so on z minus a whole power n by n factorial f power nth derivative of a plus so on is called Taylor series in powers of z minus a. Here z minus a there, z minus a whole square is there, z minus a whole cube, z minus a whole power n. So in powers of z minus a. Put a is equal to 0 in the above. We get f of z is equal to f0 plus z by 1 factorial f dash 0, like that. Is called Maclaurin series or Taylor series in powers of z. Here a is equal to 0, z minus a, instead of a is equal to 0 here. So z minus a becomes z. Diagram. So C is a curve, A is at center, Z is any point inside curve. So we get the Taylor series expansion. Next, Laurent series. Second one is Laurent series. If f of z is analytic in the ring-shaped region R bounded by two concentric circles. Concentric circles means having same center. C1 and C2 of radii R1 and R2. R1 greater than R2. This meaning is C1 circle is greater one, C2 circle is smaller one, and with center at small a, then for all z in R, f of z is equal to a0 plus a1 z minus a plus a2 z minus a whole square plus so on, a minus 1 z minus a whole power minus 1 plus a minus 2 z minus a whole power minus 2 plus so on, is called Laurent series expansion, where an is equal to 1 by 2 pi I into over gamma ft by t minus a whole power n plus 1 dt. Here gamma being any curve in the region R, encircling C2. Observe the diagram. Here C1 big circle, C2 small circle. This is R2, radius R2, radius R1, center at A. This dotted line, dotted curve is gamma curve. Lies between C1 and C2. Encircling C2 means after C2 we get gamma curve. That means gamma curve lies between C1 and C2. That is the meaning. This is region R. In the R region, Z is any point. These are important results for doing problems. Intermediate results. Mod x less than 1. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on. 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. All are positive, here alternate positive, negative, positive, negative. 1 minus x whole power minus 2 formula. 1 plus x whole power minus 2 formula. 1 minus x minus whole power minus 3 formula. 1 plus x whole power minus 3 formula. Now, here in complex integration, z term is there. Z term is there. So, suppose mod z less than 1, your 1 minus z whole power minus 1, you write like this. Using same formula, you write like this. Suppose mod z by 2 less than 1 is there. 1 minus z by 2 whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 plus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square plus z by 2 whole cube plus so on. So very important formula, intermediate formula, binomial expansion formula. Use those formula in complex integration also. Problem 32. Expand f of z is equal to sin z in Taylor series about z is equal to pi by 4. Z is equal to pi by 4. Solution. You first write formula. Taylor series about z is equal to a is z is equal to a is f of z is equal to f of a plus z minus a by 1 factorial f dash a plus z minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash a plus z minus a whole cube by 3 factorial f triple dash a plus so on. This is infinite series plus so on. Here in the problem z means a is given pi by 4. Z is equal to pi by 4. Z minus a form. Z minus pi by 4. Take pi. So Z minus a form. Comparing a is equal to pi by 4. Comparing a is equal to pi by 4. So your f of z is equal to f of pi by 4 plus z minus pi by 4 by 1 factorial f dash pi by 4 plus z minus pi by 4 whole square by 2 factorial f double dash pi by 4 plus z minus pi by 4 whole cube by 3 factorial f triple dash pi by 4 plus so on. So now we have to calculate these values. What is your f of z sin z? So f of pi by 4 sin pi by 4 sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 sin 45 1 by root 2 f dash z sin z derivative cos z f dash pi by 4 cos pi by 4 that is 1 by root 2 f double dash z cos z derivative minus sin z f double dash pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 f triple dash z triple derivative minus sin z derivative cos z f triple dash pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Substituting these values in above, we get f of z is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into z minus pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 root 2 z minus pi by 4 whole square plus minus 3 factorial means 6. So 1 by 6 root 2 z minus pi by 4 whole cube plus so on. Problem 33. Find the Taylor series of log 1 plus e power z about z is equal to 0. Solution. Taylor series about z is equal to 0. Taylor series about z is equal to 0 is f of z is equal to f of 0 plus z by 1 factorial f dash 0 plus z square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus so on. Okay, what is your f of z? Log 1 plus e power z. Log 1 power e power z. So f of 0 log 1 plus e power 0 is equal log 1 plus 1 e power 0 1 log 2 f dash z. Derivative of this log x model. Log x derivative 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus e power z into 1 derivative 0 e power z derivative e power z. So this is e power z by 1 plus e power z. F dash 0 is equal to e power 0 by 1 plus e power 0, 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. F double dash 0. F double dash 0. Apply u by v formula. U by v formula. So v into 1 plus e power z into u derivative e power z derivative e power z minus e power z into 1 derivative 0 e power z derivative e power z by v square 1 plus e power z whole square 1 plus e power z whole square. This is f double dash z. Now you write f double dash 0, z is equal to 0. 1 plus e power 0 minus e power 0 by 1 plus e power 0 whole square is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 4. 1 by 2, f double dash 0, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Substituting these values in above, we get f of z is equal to log 2 plus z by 2 plus z square by 8 plus so on. Substituting these values in above, we get f of z equal to log 2 plus z by 2 plus z square by 8 plus so on. Problem 34. Expand f of z is equal to cos z in Taylor's series about z is equal to pi by 2. Solution, do homework. Problem number 32 model. Homework. Problem 35. Expand log 1 minus z where when mod z is equal to less than 1 using Taylor series. Taylor's series. Solution 33 model. Do homework. Same model. Problem 36. Expand e power 1 plus z in powers of z minus 1. Solution in powers of z minus 1. So you take f of z is equal to e power 1 plus z. You find z minus a means here 1. So you find f dash z, f double dash z, f triple dash z, do that procedure. Otherwise, you do another procedure also there. Another procedure, second method. Put z minus 1 is equal to t. Whatever the power here, required power is z minus 1. So you take z minus 1 as t. Your z is equal to t plus 1. Z is equal to t plus 1. E power 1 plus z becomes e power 1 plus t plus 1 is equal to e power 2 plus t is equal to e square into e power t. E square into what is e power t expansion? E power x expansion. T by 1 factorial plus t square by 2 factorial plus t cube by 3 factorial plus so on. Is equal to e square into what is your t? What is your t? Z minus 1 by 1 factorial. Z minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial. Z minus 1 whole cube by 3 factorial plus so on. So observe this method also very useful for doing the problems.